How to turn off red receipts on your Android phone. Hello, everybody. If you'd like to do so, you may just head over and follow up the steps. So, first of all, open up your messaging application, for example, Google Messages on your Android, and once you open it up, you should be finding this interface on your screen. Now, you need to locate up your profile, usually located in the top right corner. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, a menu appears. Select the option called Messages Settings and tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you'll be finding different settings. Look out for general option and tap on it, and under general you should be finding different options. Go ahead and tap on the first option called RCS chats and tap on it. Now when you tap on it, here you will be finding option called turn on RCS chats. Just go ahead and turn this option on, and when you turn it on, you'll be finding option called send red receipts. So what you're gonna do is you can just go ahead and tap on it, toggle this off, and that way your red receipts has been turned off, and even if you read someone's messages, they won't be getting any kind of notification that you have done. And that is it. So if you'd also like to turn off your red receipts on your device, you may head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.